Today, join us as we explore the 5 best beginner investing apps that can kickstart your journey into the world of investing. Whether you're new to investing or searching for user-friendly platforms to manage your investments, these apps have got you covered. This is Foxfire Finance, and we are committed to spreading the great news and concepts of the FIRE movement to anyone dreaming of a better life. We aim to help you achieve your goals by providing meaningful tips and strategies that will bring you closer to your dreams of financial independence and retiring early. First, don't forget to subscribe, burn that like button, and ring the notification bell to be updated on our latest releases to guide you on your way to FIRE. So, are you ready to dive in? App number 1 is Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular investing app known for its beginner-friendly features. One of its standout qualities is its commission-free trading, which means you won't have to worry about fees eating into your investments. This makes it an excellent choice, especially for those who are new to the world of investing. With Robinhood, you have a wide range of investment options at your fingertips. You can buy and sell not only stocks but also exchange-traded funds or ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and even fractional shares. This means you can start investing with small amounts of money, which is perfect for beginners looking to dip their toes into the market. When you open the Robinhood app, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, which is a huge plus for beginners. The app provides real-time market data, helping you stay up to date with the latest trends and prices. You can also create a customizable watch list to keep an eye on your favorite stocks or assets. Perhaps one of the most helpful features for new investors is the easy-to-understand charts. These charts provide visual representations of how your investments are performing, making it simpler to track your progress and make informed decisions. In summary, Robinhood is a fantastic choice for beginners due to its commission-free model, diverse investment options, user-friendly interface, real-time data, and helpful charts. It's a platform that's designed to empower new investors and make the world of investing more accessible to all. Are you ready for number 2? Let's talk about Acorns. Acorns offers a refreshingly unique approach to investing that's perfect for beginners seeking a hands-off way to grow their money. The app takes your everyday purchases and rounds them up to the nearest dollar, then invests a spare change. This means that your morning coffee, grocery shopping, and even that occasional treat can all contribute to your investment portfolio without you even noticing. It's a hassle-free way to start building wealth. One of the standout features of the Acorns app is its focus on gradual, long-term growth. This aligns perfectly with the mindset of many beginners who want to invest without the complexities and stress. Acorns offers a range of portfolios to choose from, tailored to your individual risk tolerance. Whether you're conservative or more willing to take risks, there's an option for you. What sets Acorns apart is its automatic rebalancing feature. As your investments grow or market conditions change, your portfolio is automatically adjusted to maintain your desired asset allocation. This takes the guesswork out of managing your investments, ensuring that you stay on track towards your financial goals. To sum it all up, Acorns provides a clever and effortless way for beginners to invest. By rounding up your everyday purchases and offering a range of portfolios, it helps you gradually grow your investments over time. The app's automatic rebalancing feature ensures that your investments remain aligned with your risk tolerance, making it an ideal choice for those who want to invest without the burden of constant decision-making. Robinhood is great and Acorns is an awesome app, but number 3 is also worth noting. We are talking about M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a standout investment app that offers the best of both worlds, the power of a robo-advisor and the freedom of a self-directed brokerage. This unique combination makes it an attractive option for investors at all levels, including beginners. One of the key features of M1 Finance is its flexibility. You have the choice to either craft and manage your own investment portfolio or opt for one of their professionally designed portfolios. This means that if you're confident in your investment knowledge, you can take the reins and customize your portfolio to your heart's content. On the other hand, if you're a beginner or prefer a more hands-off approach, you can rely on their expert-designed portfolios to manage your investments effectively. A particularly user-friendly feature is the ability to set your portfolio to auto-invest. This means you can establish your investment strategy, such as a regular monthly deposit, and M1 Finance will automatically invest your funds according to your chosen allocation. This simplifies the process and helps you stay on track with your financial goals. M1 Finance is an excellent choice for beginners who want a hands-on approach to investing while benefiting from the guidance and expertise of professionals. Whether you're a DIY investor or someone who prefers a more automated approach, M1 Finance caters to your needs, making it a versatile and user-friendly platform for investors of all levels. App number 4 is Mumu. Mumu has garnered a reputation as a great investment app thanks to its array of compelling features designed to cater to both novice and seasoned investors. For the more experienced traders, Mumu stands out with its advanced trading tools. It provides real-time market data and customizable charts, enabling users to conduct in-depth analysis, crucial for making informed investment decisions. The cherry on top is the commission-free trading, making it an economically savvy choice for investing in various assets, including stocks, options, and ETFs. For beginners, Mumu has invested in educational resources. Whether you're looking to learn the ropes or enhance your knowledge, the app offers articles, tutorials, and even a paper trading feature. This allows you to practice your investment strategies in a risk-free environment, building your confidence as you go. Mumu's global reach is another notable feature. It offers access to both US and international markets, opening up a world of investment opportunities. Moreover, its social features foster a sense of community among users. You can follow other investors, share insights, and gain from collective wisdom, creating a collaborative and supportive environment. Responsive customer support is a valuable asset, ensuring that users have assistance when they need it. Additionally, Mumu diversifies investment options by offering various financial products, including margin trading and access to IPOs, allowing users to tailor their investment strategies to their preferences and goals. And finally, we are down to our last investment app. Let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase has earned its reputation as an exceptional investment app through a range of impressive features. At its core is a user-friendly interface that makes diving into the world of cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Whether you're an experienced trader or a complete beginner, Coinbase's design simplifies the entire process, from buying and selling to managing your digital assets. What truly sets Coinbase apart is its extensive offering of supported cryptocurrencies. While it's well known for Bitcoin and Ethereum, it goes a step further by providing access to a diverse range of digital assets. This allows investors to explore and diversify their portfolios according to their individual preferences and investment strategies. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies, and Coinbase takes it seriously. With robust measures like two-factor authentication, cold storage of assets, and insurance coverage, Coinbase ensures that your investments are safeguarded, giving you peace of mind. Coinbase doesn't just stop at facilitating trades, it's also a platform for learning. Through articles and tutorials, it empowers users to understand the nuances of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. This educational component is particularly valuable for newcomers to the crypto space. The Coinbase mobile app enhances its appeal by enabling users to conveniently manage their cryptocurrency investments on the go. Moreover, Coinbase offers staking and earning opportunities, allowing users to potentially grow the value of their crypto holdings over time. Beyond these features, Coinbase is known for its liquidity and the availability of numerous trading pairs, ensuring that users can execute their trading strategies effectively. Its commitment to regulatory compliance and its provision to institutional services further solidify its position as a trustworthy and versatile platform for cryptocurrency investors. So there you have it, 5 of the best beginner investing apps to help you kickstart your investment journey. Whether you're looking for commission-free trading, automated investing, or a combination of both, these apps have something for everyone. Remember, the key to successful investing is to start early, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about your investments. Be sure to do your own research and choose the app that aligns best with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, then burn that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how you can reach your financial goals. Until next time. We are Foxfire Finance, and keep that fire burning.